Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily add products from Alibaba to Shopify. So all you have to do is head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in a new tab, just head over to Chrome webstore.google.com if you're using Windows. Then just search extensions, start typing Pokey, then press enter. Then from the list of apps, just choose this Pokey Shopify product importer. Then click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. Next in the new tab, just head over to alibaba.com. Next is select the product that you want to add to Shopify. Say this for example. From here, click on extensions icon, then click on Pokey. To proceed, log into your Pokey account. If you don't have one, you can easily just sign up for one by clicking on the sign up button, but you can also sign in with your Google account. So from your dashboard, just click on Add Store. So all you have to do is copy your shop name or store URL, then paste the access token. Then once done, just click on Connect. So our Shopify store is now connected to Poki. So from here, you're going to need to subscribe to their subscription that costs $2.95 a month. Then once done, just click on continue. And all you have to do is head to alibaba.com, then just choose the product that you want to add to Shopify. So from there, you can import or add products from Alibaba just by clicking on the Pokey extension. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!